Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial on online course development. In this tutorial, I will also teach you how to create a course using the MemberPress add-on. So why create an online course? Well, these days you just don't tell someone that you are good at something. You have to prove that you are actually an expert. Even to your prospective clients, there's definitely no better way of proving that than teaching the topic yourself, as you'll be leaving no shadow of doubt that you are what you're talking about, that you are good at that and you are an expert in the field. Then, well, these days, education is rapidly getting digitized everywhere, whether in colleges, universities, or from experts in specific fields. Well, online courses are used everywhere. Creating an online course can not only help you in generating an additional income and make learning convenient for your students, but it can also further establish you as an authority in the niche. So let's start. I'm going to take you through the steps for creating a successful online course. Step number 1. For creating a successful online course, you should first of all choose your course topic. The course subject determines your audience, your method of teaching, and a lot of other factors. Well, it's crucial that you decide on a specific course subject in the beginning phase of creating your online course. While you are deciding on a course topic, be as specific as possible. Don't try to cover too much wide of a topic in your first course. Ask yourself this question while starting. Are you an expert on the topic? Number 2, is there enough demand for the topic in the market? Number 3, how deep will you go into the topic after creating the course? So those 3 things are the ones that you should be looking for while you are choosing your course topics. The second thing, in your process of creating your course, you should identify the target audience. After choosing the topic for your online course, it's now time to identify your target audience. The target audience is a group of people whom you are writing your course for. Once again, be specific. Identifying the target audience as anyone interested in my course is too general and unactionable. Instead, try to identify key demographics of your target audience, like age, how old is your target audience, gender, male or female, non-binary, level of education and employment status. And there's also a tip while you are choosing your target audience. Use social media. Go to groups, just find what your target audience likes before you start creating the course. The third thing we should look after while creating an online course is to gather and structure your knowledge. Once you have determined what you're going to teach, that you do have people to teach and that you can teach them something useful, then you can get started on the course itself, which means you need to get the knowledge together. You'll need to know enough that a newcomer to the topic can learn a good deal from you, plus a little bit more than that. There will be always those students quicker on the uptake than others, or those who need just a little bit more of the picture to really understand the lesson. To help them out, you'll need to have enough puzzle pieces on the hand to give them. Knowledge alone is not enough. You also need to know how to deliver it in a way that makes sense to the student, in a manner that a student can understand. Just dumping facts around doesn't work for most people. Otherwise, we won't need to go to schools and we won't even need teachers. So the fourth thing you should look while creating an online course is that this is the process where you should actually create the course. After doing number 1, 2, and 3, now create the course. So you've got the knowledge all organized. Fantastic. Now it's time to think about how you are going to deliver that knowledge to the students. Simply put, this is how to create an outline for your course. Now you should this is the process where you create an outline for your course. Number 1, identify the primary learning outcome. Number 2, list the skills necessary for achieving primary learning outcome. Number 3, use the skills checklist to create course modules. Number 4, set learning goals for your course modules. And the fifth thing you should consider while creating an online course, the fifth step of creating your online course is to choose your online course platform. This is a very important part. There are fantastic software available that can help you get up and running on your online course business quicker than ever. But contrary to a popular saying, the best things in life aren't always free. You'll have to spend some money to get your hands on top software in this field. But remember that there's another popular saying that's time is money. If you consider this true, then spending some money on high quality online course software becomes a no-brainer. After all, why waste hundreds of hours creating the back end for your course by yourself while you could do it in minutes with the help of tried and tested software like the MemberPress course plugin add-on that is found on the MemberPress plugin on your WordPress. The sixth step on creating your online course is to create the content, the actual content, and ensure it's engaging. Now you have created your course. Congratulations. With the structure out of the way, you are all set to start building it. Here are the three primary types of online course content you can create. You can create text content, video and image content, or screencasting content. A combination of the three makes the most engaging online courses. Well, screencasting might not be necessary though, depending on your course subjects. And engaging the students who enroll in your online course is absolutely crucial if you want to become successful in the e-learning industry. In order to create an engaging online course, make sure that you focus on what's important, provide early results, set measurable goals, and increase retention rates. And so the second step in your online course creation journey, you should create a community for your course. Well, human beings are social animals. Everyone loves social media. There's no overlooking that in a learning environment. Even introverts need the social time. This is where technology steps in once again. Whether it's Facebook groups, a Discord channel, Udemy discussion group, or whatever other means you can think of, you should establish a community for your students. And so what purpose does this serve? Yes, it serves a lot. A community beyond your lectures and modules gives the students a platform, and that's a huge advantage actually. Building a solid community is an important part of how to create an online course. Number 8 of the things you should look out while creating your online course, you should collect feedback and improve, then update your course regularly. Creating an online course takes a great deal of time and effort. It requires a lot of flexibility. You'll constantly be adjusting to your methods depending on a multitude of factors. But if you are willing to put the effort to pour your skills and your soul into your work, then building online courses is a great way to dip your foot into the world of teaching. Getting everything perfect on the first online course is practically impossible. Therefore, your workflow as an online course instructor should always include listening to the feedback of your students and improving on your product based on that feedback. So you have created your course, and I always advise you to create your course using the MemberPress add-on on the MemberPress plugin in WordPress. Why should you use MemberPress Courses to create your course? These are the advantages of using the MemberPress Courses to create your course. The first thing is that you can use it to track the progress of your courses. Previously, you need to install a separate WordPress LMS plugin to enable progress tracking through your curriculum when using MemberPress. Well, this is no longer the case. Now, using MemberPress Courses, your students and even you as the admin are able to see their progress in each class they have attended. in your admin panel, you can also see the progress of your students as well. Your students can as well see their progress in their dashboard once they have logged in. The second advantage of using MemberPress to develop your course is that there's no longer need to of another WordPress LMS plugin, and this speaks for itself. With MemberPress Courses, you no longer need to add an independent LMS plugin alongside MemberPress. The add-on provides a simple menu item in MemberPress where you can access all your courses. From this menu, you are able to see all your curricula in one place, plus a new and other edit existing, and you can also add new and edit existing courses. The third thing that puts MemberPress courses ahead of others in the business is that you can visually build your course curriculum. You can now edit your course curriculum in the WordPress block editor. You can even move lessons around within the courses using a simple click, drag and drop feature using the curriculum tab. You can see the image below for further explanation. Well, the last thing issue that puts MemberPress ahead of others in the business of online course creation is that you can easily create and manage access rules. The new add-ons allows you to protect your online content with easy to use rules. You can use this for single courses, set of courses, or courses protection depending on your student subscription. Then, last but not least, well, that was not actually the last thing. The final thing that puts MemberPress ahead is that you can build subscriptions using the sales feature. It's found in the settings tab once you are logged into to your MemberPress. When a user encounters a page that they do not have an access to, then you want to make sure that they have an option to subscribe. Well, this add-ons allows you to create a sales page which users encounters whenever they don't have access to a specific course or lesson. Well, thank you for having stayed with me all along during the video. You can subscribe to MemberPress using the link in the description below, and well, thank you. Once again, I am Wilson, Principal Learner. So right now, I'm going to take you through the process of actually creating your course using MemberPress. I'm going to take you through the process of creating your course using MemberPress. So first of all, I assume that you have your MemberPress plugin installed in your WordPress. Ensure you have installed the right version of MemberPress, the latest version, and actually the correct version. To get the right MemberPress plugin, you need to go to www.memberpress.com, or I will just follow the link in the description below. I will place the link below in the description so that you can access the right plugin. So once you are on your dashboard, click on MemberPress on the left menu, on the main menu on your left hand side of the screen. Then click on courses, select MemberPress, then click on courses, select MemberPress, then click on courses. Once you've clicked on courses, you'll come to this page whereby you can install and activate your MemberPress courses. Well, if you do not have the right MemberPress plugin, you will not be able to do this. So ensure you have the right MemberPress plugin. Check the link on the description below to download the right MemberPress plugin so that you can install and activate MemberPress courses. Well, I hope you have now installed and activated MemberPress courses. You will then be directed to the dashboard. Now the MemberPress dashboard looks like this. In the dashboard, you can add new courses. You can see your courses categories. You can see the tags. Yeah. Then also in the dashboard as well, you will also be able to see those who have access to your course, the authors of different courses, the courses categories, the courses tags, participants, the dates you created the courses, and many other things. So to create your first course, you will need to click on create new course on the previous page that I just shown. Then you will be directed to this course edit page. On the course edit page, you will be able to add your course title and your course description below. And there's a menu also on the right side where you can edit the visibility of your course, the permalinks, courses categories, course tags, featured image, excerpt, and several other things. You can also then preview your course, then publish it. Okay, we move on to the curriculum tab. On the curriculum tab, you can add sections to your course. This will help you organize your course, and under the section you can also add specific lessons. Under the sections, you can also add specific lessons. This is how your sections and lessons will look like. You can simply edit them by clicking the edit button right here, the one that I'm just highlighting. You can also view your lessons by clicking right there where I'm highlighting, and you can also delete your lessons. You can delete individual lessons by clicking right there when I am highlighting. Okay, we move on to the settings tab. On the settings tab, you will see include course listing, which is a page that will list all your courses, and the sales page, that is the page where all your users who are not authorized, this is the sales page. This is where you can add a page where all your users who are not authorized to view your course will be redirected to make a purchase to a course or register, whatever. This is where they will be redirected. So you just design a nice sales page and add the URL right here so that your users who are not registered can be redirected to register for your courses. Okay, also on MemberPress, you can create rules that protect your course based on several parameters like tags, lessons, categories. You can protect a single course. You can protect courses with course categories, courses with course tags. You can also protect all lessons. Yeah, you can protect pretty much everything using MemberPress. Today I'm only going to cover what you can protect on the MemberPress courses. I'm only going to cover what you can protect on MemberPress courses. Okay, now once you're done creating your course on MemberPress, the front end should look like this. Well, you can also customize it depending on your theme and your expertise and customization. You can also customize it to look far better. Yeah, this is just the basic how it will look. Once you have customized it, this is how it will pretty much look. Then MemberPress Courses also allows your users to access their course progress. You will also be able to see their progress on your back end. Not only the users will be able to access their progress, you as the admin can also see their progress on the back end. You as the admin can also see the progress on the back end. This is what I was talking about. On the back end, in the under course information, you can see their course progress right here where I'm highlighting. So thank you for sticking around with me. The next segment, I'm actually going to take you through the process of registering for MemberPress, the giving you the actual correct URL where you can register for MemberPress. You can click the links on the description below so you can register for MemberPress, and afterwards you can access the awesome MemberPress Courses add-on. You can download the plugin and access the add-on. See you next time. Hello everyone, once again it's Prince Palena. So right now I'm going to take you through the process of actually getting the MemberPress plugin, signing up, the pricing, and actually downloading the actual plugin. I'm also going to take you through several features you can get with each pricing of your MemberPress plan. So to begin with, you can actually go through the link on the description below, or just go to memberpress.com. Okay, I'll just being MemberPress. Then here is memberpress.com. I will go to memberpress.com. Once I am on this is the actual MemberPress website where you can get the MemberPress plugin to create your online course. Okay, I will just take you through the website in a little while. So let's walk through the features of MemberPress. Okay, MemberPress is a great plugin and it's actually easy to set up. It has powerful access rules. It is easy to build and sell courses on MemberPress. Actually, I have just shown you how easy it is to build and sell courses on MemberPress and the importance of selling an online course. Okay, MemberPress also have coupons that don't suck. It has premium community forums. The pricing pages are unique and pretty. One of the most important features of MemberPress is that MemberPress works with any theme. MemberPress works with any theme, and MemberPress has all the features that you'd expect from a great membership site. These features include content dripping, like the timed release of content and the content access expiration. MemberPress also have an affiliate program. You can also run an affiliate program with MemberPress. Okay, as this also happens, MemberPress grew up with another plugin called Affiliate Royal, and they're still great friends. And Affiliate Royal is an amazing affiliate program plugin for WordPress that was wrote by the same people who wrote MemberPress. The two plugins cannot only work together for you to run your own affiliate program, but it can actually it's actually included in the Pro edition of MemberPress. Under MemberPress, you can also get clear and relevant reporting. Under MemberPress, you can also get clear and relevant reporting. You'll never be left hanging when it comes to how things are going through membership site with MemberPress. They've put a lot of thought into the reporting that will make sure that it will give you access to all information you need and none of the information you want. MemberPress also have a simple payment gateway. They have a full-blown subscription management. They have an unwavering support and brilliant extent. They are brilliantly extensible. Another thing you can do with MemberPress is that it can seamlessly integrate with Zapier, and it's ultra stable and secure. Okay, after that, let me take you through the pricing of MemberPress. The different price, they have 3 different pricing plans. Let me take you through what you will get with each plan. They have the Pro plan, which goes for $349 a year. That means normally it goes for $540, but right now you can save $200 and buy it for $349. This Pro plan include features like you can use it on up to 5 websites. It includes affiliate royal. Yes, I told you it includes affiliate royal, which you can use to run your own affiliate program. It also includes exclusive pro add-ons. It also includes exclusive pro add-ons. You can actually have unlimited memberships through all plans of MemberPress. Okay, now the most popular plan is the MemberPress Plus plan, which goes for $249. You can save $150 because normally it goes for $399. Right now you can save $150 and buy it for $249. It's great for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and other small business. The features include the fact that you can use it for up to 2 websites. It works with authorized.net for your payment management. You can also sell corporate accounts. You can add 10 additional add-ons, and it's got 10 additional add-ons and integrations, and it has thousands of custom integrations with Zapier. The other plan is the basic plan, the basic plan, which it is pretty much the cheapest MemberPress plan. Right now it goes for $149. Right now it's going for $149. You can save $100 because normally it goes for $249. It's good for beginners who are just getting started with their first membership site. And some of the features include that you can use it on one site. That's why I'm saying it's good for beginners. You can just use it on one site. This plan is just for one website. You can use it on unlimited members. You can have unlimited members and content. It works seamlessly with PayPal and Stripe, and you can create and sell courses with all MemberPress plans. You can create and sell courses with all MemberPress plan. You have 1 year of support and updates. You have access to more than 10 add-ons and integrations. You have 3 months free of the Optimonster trial you can use for creating your sales pages and Optimonster University access. You'll also be given 3 months free Trust Puzzle trial.